Okay, so you've probably already noticed if you're watching this video is that your new fan that's only meant to be used with one switch and then using a remote to turn on and off the fan and light features will have this receiver here, and then it'll have just 3 wires: your ground, your white neutral wire, and then your black live wire. Whereas your existing light fixture probably had 4 wires. You have your ground wire, which is gonna be the one without anything on it. And then you had your white neutral wire. And then you have 2 live wires, a red and a black. So basically one of these runs to one switch for the light and one of these runs to one switch for the fan. But since we no longer need to have 2 switches, all we have to do is attach the black live wire to the black wire on our new fan. And then obviously the white neutral wire goes to the white neutral and the grounds go to the ground. And then this red one, we'll just go ahead and cap it. We'll probably clip this wire to give as little metal as possible here. And then we'll cap it with a wire nut and we'll just tuck it away inside of our ceiling fan. We're finished connecting everything. It's kind of a mess in here, as you can see, so it can be a little difficult, but there you go. We've got all the greens and the ground wires together. Black to black for your live wires, white to white for your neutral wires, and then my red extra live wire that I no longer need. I've got it capped off. And once again, a reminder, just make sure you don't have any metal exposed outside of that wire nut. So if you need to trim it with a pair of snips, then just trim off some of that metal and then put that wire nut on there so it's all the way inside the wire nut. So now you can see with our new single switch fan installed, I'm able to turn it on with this switch. But this switch is not going to do anything because once again, it's capped up in the ceiling fan. And then I'll just when I have this on, I can just use my remote that comes with the fan to turn off the light or turn on the fan or vice versa.